What's going on, everyone? I thought I was going to do the same thing that I just did with the unusual options, but I'm going to do it also for the golden sweeps. I'm already at the point where I've got the data and the columns over where I've wanted, and I'm just going to go through real quick and edit out these columns and get the data exactly how I want for an analysis standpoint. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. And again, all I got to do is hit Control F, replace what I don't want with a blank. So I don't want the bear or the red circle. I'm going to replace that with nothing. Oh, you know what? I always forget to do this, but every time you make a new table based on a formula or something like that, you got to make sure you remember to highlight it all, copy and paste itself over itself, and then put the values in there. Otherwise, it's not going to find anything when you try to do this. Okay, we got rid of that one. Let's get rid of the green and the bull. Oh, there is no bull. It's a cow. I'm sorry. Cow. And we are left with that. Okay, so come here, do the strike price. Strike with the asterisks. Replace all. Contract type. Replace all. And then we got to do the circle now. I'll circle back to that one. Expiration date. And hopefully this one will actually load some stuff up for me. Okay, volume. Volume. Replace the volume. And then we got open interest. Got a few more left to do here. And this makes it very simple to visualize this data. Again, if your program is actually working with you on that. So, size and price. And price with the colon, replace all. Okay, we have premium. Premium, trade type. Trade type. Oh, sorry, trade side. And this takes about 5 or 10 minutes of work to do this. And then we're going to do consolidation type. Now we're going to do trade type. Reference price. And if it's an opening position. Is opening position. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this one as is this time, the size and price column. And last thing I got to do is just get rid of these circles here. Red circle. Replace with nothing. And then a green circle. Replace with nothing. And then one more column to do, which is going to be this one here. Just have to do the same thing. Replace with the green circle. Replace with a red circle. And the yellow. Okay, so now we have all of our data exactly how we want it to be, as far as nice and clean, where we can actually read it. We just got to put the headers in, make the table, and then analyze it. So we have ticker here, sentiment, strike, side. We have the expiry, we have the volume, open interest, we have the size and price, we have the premium, trade type, we have the consolidation type, execution type, we have the reference price, and we have is opening position. Okay, so now we can take all of this and we can load it up into our analyzation tool here with Excel and see what's going on. This is Marketwide feeds for golden sweeps. So we come over here to home and analyze data. And there's not going to be as much golden sweeps as there is unusual options. That's just a market standard. But let's go ahead and take a look at what Excel picks up on this. And again, this is Marketwide from the tail end of August to this month. And hopefully I will be able to import a pivot table this time. Okay, so premium by sentiment inside. God, it's not letting me do it again. It really doesn't like to let me do this when I am recording. Let me see if I can do it this way. I'm going to copy all this. I'm going to exit out of Excel. And I'm going to go back in. And see if I can actually get that to print out for us. Because I want you to see the actual chart. That's the whole point of doing this, is so that you can see that stuff. So let's see if it'll work here. So I'm just going to go ahead and analyze this real quick. Let's see if we can actually load a chart in this thing. You know, let me I have two bots running. Let me shut this off real quick and see if that helps. That may help. So let's wait and see. Okay. Perfect. Okay, it was the bots. Okay, so now that we got a chart loaded up, this is what I've been trying to show you in the last video. So you can see here, by gathering up all that data and putting it in a visualizer here, we have sentiment is majority, put side, bearish. Call side put, less than the bearish side. For the sentiment bullish, we have more puts than calls. For the sentiment mid-market, we have more calls than puts. So for bullish, we have more puts than calls. For bearish, we have more puts than calls. And then for mid-market, we have more calls than puts. We can also throw in the trade type here as well. So we have above ask here, ask, below bid, bid, above ask, below bid, bid. So this is how you get all these nice charts, is you just collect the data and you display it in a different way. And here's your volume. So let's see where the volume's at. Your volume is going to be on the sweep side, and obviously these are all going to be sweeps because they're golden sweeps. But again, this is just how you take it to the next level as far as a data perspective. Now let's see if we can get some other charts in here real quick. And also, you can actually pick out potential outliers. Like IndieX and SPY have noticeably higher strike because they're higher priced. Let's do opening position. And then you can see right here, IndieX is a yes to opening position. SPY is a yes. Tesla is a yes. IWM is a yes. All of these yeses here are opening positions. ENPH, and then you can go in your brokerage and you can check and see if there's anything advantageous for you going on. But yeah, I can look through premium, size and price, open interest, volume, expiry, consolidation type, all the stuff we went through in the spreadsheet. I can check all of this, and then I can come up here to the design. I can change the chart type to something that makes a little bit more sense with what we're looking at. Like, let's go to the radar here. I should go to the pie chart here. No, let's do a stacked column. And then I'm going to put this here. And as you can see, October 21st is the big boy for your puts. So this is all of your support right here. Sum of the premium for October 21st is 265,672,157. And that's going to be the ask. Consolidation type is going to be sweep, so we don't even need to put that on there. But yeah, this is exactly the way to be utilizing data in today's market. Because again, you never know what you can find. Some of this data, it may throw something at you that is an outlier. Like we have 34 results here I can go through. September 16th and October 21st. Dude, okay. If anyone in the group's watching this, I mean, those we'll have to see how the rest of the month plays out, but we'll have to wait and see. Anyways, hope you found this helpful, and I will talk to y'all later. But yeah, that's how you utilize golden sweeps in the market.